At ReAgent, our demineralised water production facility can generate up to 10,000 litres of high-quality demineralised water every hour. In addition, our 22,000-litre tanker filling station can efficiently load a road tanker in just an hour and a half. This production capability enables us to ensure prompt deliveries of large volumes of demineralised water, often within 24 hours. We manufacture our demineralised water using a sophisticated dual-bed resin system. Starting from our 16,000-litre raw water tank, the water is demineralised through a twin-bed deionizer. This system uses both anionic and cationic resins to eliminate minerals and impurities. To further ensure the purity of our demineralised water, there's an additional stage of purification. The water continuously goes through ultraviolet sterilisation and is filtered through a 0.2 micron filter, effectively removing minuscule particles and bacteria. With nearly 50 years of expertise in chemical manufacturing and holding quality accreditations such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 13485, we guarantee that our demineralised water is produced according to the highest quality standards. We also offer flexible packaging options for our demineralised water, ranging from 1 litre containers to 20,000 litre tankers, using our automated packing systems to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Additionally, we use demineralised water in our chemical blending processes, distributing it throughout the factory via a dedicated water ring main. If you want to join the global companies that buy demineralised and other forms of purified water from ReAgent, contact us today.